Hello, this is a quick demonstration of how to find a linear approximation of a set of points. So we would start by highlighting everything. So I had already previously quickly copied this in to kind of save a little bit of time. But once you have your table in place, you highlight all of it. Then you go to charts and do a scatter plot. And with the scatter plot, as you can see, the points are roughly linear, but the software will help us find the best possible line that actually approximates these points. You start by clicking on the points and go to chart layout. You're looking for trend lines. So under trend lines, I usually go for trendline options because I want to make sure that I am actually writing down or having the Excel display the equation. So under type, I want to make sure it's unlinear. And then under options here, automatic linear, the forecast I don't need to worry about. I don't want to set an intercept. I do want to display the equation. The r-squared value kind of tells you what the error is, but we're not really interested in that right now. So I'll just click OK. And as you can see, it now gives you a best possible approximation for the production function. In the case that you're turning this in, I would say insert a excuse me. Insert a text box and say that the linear approximation is y is equal to 15,661x minus 2470. If you want to be a little bit more fancy, you could say that the production is given by 15,661 times the number of months minus 2470. And so if you wanted to know what the production that you would forecast for, say, August would be, then you would just plug in 8 for the number of months, compute it, and you would actually end up having your predicted production of your items there.